Homemade bread from scratch can be a tedious process, but it doesn't have to be. With the Cuckoo automatic bread maker, baking at home can be fun, fast, and simple. Pour your ingredients into the Cuckoo bread maker and start the automatic baking process using the intuitive selection of presets. Instead of manually dispensing your mix-ins, the fruit and nut dispenser will deposit the fruit and nuts for you. You can also select from a range of sizes and crust colors, including dark, medium, and light. This versatile bread maker includes 15 unique menu options, including French bread, sweet bread, whole wheat, and gluten-free. Choose the perfect time to enjoy your bread, as the delay timer allows you to schedule your bread making up to 15 hours in advance. The 360-degree heating technology creates a consistent texture, producing light and fluffy results. The Cuckoo bread maker can also be used to make yogurt, cake, jam, and much more. No more messy kitchen prep and hours of waiting. With the Cuckoo automatic bread maker, you'll be baking like a pro.
Enjoy the delicious taste of freshly baked bread in the convenience of your home with the new Oster ExpressBake bread maker. Bake your favorite breads in under an hour with the ExpressBake function. Just add the ingredients, choose your desired setting, add nuts and fruits in the dispenser, and enjoy. With your Oster bread maker with ExpressBake, you can even prepare cakes, yogurt, and jam. Waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread is now possible with the new Oster ExpressBake bread maker.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Cause things going on, I'm not tracking them all. From people dropping the bombs to people putting up walls. I feel like life is not home, perception stuck in a ball. I know that time can be all, but how much time till we fall? It's actually chilly inside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, will
Geepas.
Zojirushi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.